Hey, welcome back to another video of H&H Express model and scale trains. Today we're gonna install the pillars for the bridge. And that would be here at this point and over there at that point. So let me bring you up closer so you can see what I mean. So here we have the bridge, and as you can see, the trucks, some trucks are almost close to the underside of the bridge. So what I actually would need to do is lift the bridge a little bit up. I already unscrewed it, so lift it up to make more room. And the way I'm gonna do that is with some cork. So with this type of cork, I'm gonna put it underneath this pillar over here. And I have another one. Put it underneath here. So that the gap between the truck and the bridge and the underside of the bridge is a little bit bigger. And the reason for that, there will be a road over here. It will be angled underneath the bridge. But the road has also a little bit of a thickness to it. So if I wouldn't do that, then the problem is that the trucks, if I position them here, they will hit the bridge. With the new concrete pillars, you see that the concrete pillars over here and over here are way too big. So I'm gonna cut a section of that off so that it will be at the same height as this concrete pillar, including the piece of cork. One thing what you now see as well is that the track is angled a little bit more up here because I have a little bit more room here than when I don't use that cork as a filler. So I will need to fill this up as well, this gap. So I will use the same cork and then slice it a little bit to get the right angle. So but first let me cut one of these sections off, and I will do that off camera and then see how it fits over here, and then I will do that side. So I cut off a section of the pillar. That is this piece. I'm gonna save that one, maybe I can use it later. So this was the original height and this is the new height. So that will be positioned underneath here. So let me see if I can put it there, if it's high enough, or otherwise I need to sand it off a little bit. So I'm gonna use the bridge. I'm gonna put the bridge on its place. I'm gonna lift this side. And I can see that it is still a little bit too high. So I'm gonna sand off a piece of it and then we try to fit it again. Okay, I sanded a little bit more off, and as you can see, that fits a little bit better. And as mentioned, I will fill this one up so that it gets the right angle so that the train can still get up to the bridge. So now I need to do that side, and I will put you a little bit up closer so you can see how it looks. So here you can see how it looks now, and you also see the space between the track and the cork pad over here. I will fill this up so that it will be gradually incline to go to the bridge. And with the truck, you can see that there is more than enough space between the bridge and the truck when we have the road over here. So I will do this one off camera and I will see you in a bit. Okay, both concrete pillars are ready. So let's see how they fit. That looks already a little bit better. So the only thing what I need to fill up is this, so I can glue the concrete pillar on the board, and I will need to cut the cork sections so that it fits underneath these pillars as well. So that's gonna be done in a different video. So at least the pillars are ready. The next thing what we're gonna do in the next video is put the road over here, put a crossing over here, and then fix the bridge on the right position, and then fill those gaps. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of these videos, please consider to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. So thank you and goodbye.